Maama Man.
Maama Man can take care of you. Being a Maama Man is a dangerous thing. Him wash the rice and him count dumpling. The money when him give you, we go a market like him when you carry water in a basket. Yes, the Maama Man want everything else, but in a bedroom him can't help himself. Eviction him mad,
Maama Man.
eviction him bad.
Maama Man.
Him a kuno mono.
Maama Man.
Eviction can't take care of you. Come now.
We don't want no Maama Man.
What was say?
We don't want no Maama Man.
Say what?
We don't want no.
Maama Man, Maama Man, Maama Man.
We don't want no.
Right. Nah, G. I noticed from the other day me eye them get dark. I can't see a thing without me reading glasses. Well, that's better. What you have here now? Wait, it's what is? It's put the government to put rent under restriction. Them mad. Nobody now tell me who for rent my place, who for rent it to, now how much you rent it for. They must know how win the election. Wait, it's do that and knock down me door like me owe them something. I wish they did not smell that. It's do that.
It's a prospective tenant, sir. I come up here to rent the room.
Tell me something. You's a man or you's a woman?
Well, me tell you the truth, Mr. Well want the place, I don't even know who I be.
Well, look, you better find out who you be before you can get my lovely room for rent.
Oh, who? Well, of course, me's a man.
Man, you better never find out who you be. I'm not renting my room to no man.
But understand, no, sir, me no know where else to go. At the last house, this in my district, you know. Plus, me have your rent and 3 months advance.
Look here, man. Take it and go pay it up on a couple sheets of zinc. I buy a hurricane relief 10. I'm not renting my room to nobody with seed under them.
Go away, you blasted Maama Man, yo. Go away, Maama Man, go away.
You damn dirty stinking formalized now the privilege smell by the rascal, yo. If I ever did catch you, you're not going to know how water walk a pumpkin belly. But also which part it run, come out. You should have turned up, you shouldn't run. Make I get to give the full length of my tongue. Weird. How that? That me never see her face before. How much the room she a come out. I said the vacancy news really flies.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. And what can I do for the nice and stocious lady?
Well, hi, I'm here to check out the room you have.
Hey, look at me in the room to check out, you know. This rent in the room. So take it or let it.
Okay, then I'll take it because I'm very desperate.
Oh, you're des. Come here. You can have a seat.
Oh, thank you.
Well, before I say anything else, what is your name?
Oh, my name is Verona.
My God. Lovely name. Well, my name is Mr. Aloysius Vickers. But everybody about you call me Eviction. You see, just in case you don't know what I mean. You see, any month you feel like you can't pay the rent, whether you lose the work or whatever, just remember my name, Eviction. Right. Now, let I explain the tenancy to you. You will be getting 4 rooms for $399.99.
Wow, that is just great, Mr. Vickers. You know something? From the moment I came through that door, I just know it. I'm gonna love it here.
Oh yes, you're gonna love it here. Especially me. Well, actually, see, they get in 1 bedroom, 1 living room, the kitchen and the toilet make 4.
But Mr. Vickers, I thought you meant 4 bedrooms, you know, sir.
Do you what? No, sir. That's your biggest mistake. Now for the other part. You see me here? Me love to collect my rent 6 months rent in advance. Today's what? Oh, the 16th.
Oh no, Mr. Vickers, look, the rent board never said anything about
Hey! Don't tell me about a damn blasted rent board. Hear me? As far as I is concerned, Them is neither wood nor concrete. I say just here this, get up and go on a red book.
No,
Get up and go on, man.
no, Mr. Vickers, I'm sorry.
Oh, you're sorry. Well, that's more like it. Well, if you want a lovely room, there's one main thing you got to do.
What is that, Mr. Vickers?
You see me here? Me love to collect my rent 5 days before it due.
5 days? Yes. But Mr. Vickers, why is that so?
Oh, let's just say it's for my safety and your comfort. Now, another thing. I do want a man to come here, come live with you.
Oh no, Mr. Vickers, I could never do that. But my boyfriend, when they come in here...
Come with me! That was, if there is any lenience in your heart, it's only a man to come up here, come look for you. Not a damn blasted boyfriend. If you want to see a boyfriend, you find feet here, go. You cannot be hungry when your somebody can't come here, come look for you. You must either sit dead or can't walk.
But oh, come on, Mr. Vickers, my boyfriend is 30 years old, you know, sir.
That's still young. Look at me. I never changed my eye until I was 31. And as I changed my eye, so props, we get a boy. In that year, I'm good as super. But straight from the point, you see, let's just get back to business. No, I can't tell you nothing about the light bill or the water rate. You see, obviously you use it first. Because the more frequent you go to the toilet is, the more water rate you'll have to pay. And that means that I will be watching you every step of the way. Then I'm gonna feel you can't go in there and use it and me no see. Hey, come to think of it, you know. It might be best if you do it, but I use the toilet at all. But nothing. It's either you take it or let it. As a matter of fact, I'm going to leave the people line up for them to look and tell me talk fast.
Okay, Mr. Vickers, may I have a look at the room, sir?
Oh, certainly. Hold on. As soon as you pay the rent and the advance, how are you going? Oh, what a way you're bright. While looking at my room and a paper. Hey, look at them. You see that this place here? I have some very strict rules. Right? So you say if you have any picnic, leave them at a daycare center and bring them come here. Oh, and another thing, you see while you're cleaning your room, you just do one thing and clean the whole house. And another thing is that man love keep a close watch for everything we're going on my house, you see? So you say if any letter should have come here to you, whether from your auntie, uncle, niece or nephew, me have to read it first.
Mr. Vickers!
Yeah.
Mr. Vickers, you know you're talking rubbish. That is utter rubbish, you know, sir.
Where say I talking rubbish?
Well, of course, Mr. Vickers.
Well, all right. There's a simple solution for everything. You see, anytime you there and I talk rubbish, you just make your mouth with the garbage pan. You find the money? Mm-hmm. Here. Now, this is the key to my front door. You laugh? Try not laugh it. Or else, beat the paper sleep under the cellar. You and my son, Jokey Jam. Take it from me.
Come down, me say the man him, Juke, the man him, come on, the man him, Juke. See, wait, let's go.
Why you don't take this blow, please? Look at me. You see she has to be the new tenant now.
No, Papa, I tell you that. Oh, you can change tenant from my room, young man, you know.
What, Mr. Vickers?
It's alright. It's alright to hear rock teeth, boy. I'm gonna make this one all of the teeth that way out left in the head.
Sorry, Mama. We never been talking about how this sketch like get you, and sometimes you want to do back.
Mr. Vickers, just a minute,
I make sure first you see, because I don't want you give me the problem when the time comes for your left. You know, come to think of it, you know. You don't have to leave, you know. Because we don't care walk off a little something now for the rent.
Mr. Vickers, what are you saying to me? What are you talking about?
Well, you see, sometimes it's just me and you alone garden and this big, lovely, romantic house. So, people don't care walk off even at 30%.
Don't come near me. Now you listen to me, Mr. Vickers, and listen good. I won't tolerate any of slackness inside you. You understand me?
Forget it. You just forget it. Hey, we know why you have bets up and I go and say no. You just a date for you, Mr. Make we walk off the whole life.
Mr. Vickers, what kind of bet is this?
Oh, that a drunk, firm big man. You want can't done that. Hey, we get it bill of hardware and slumber. That's a good bed,
Mr.
man.
Vickers, what is this for?
Pull it down, man.
Mr. Vickers!
Hey, look at her. You see, with you, the wife, the son, and myself, each one we got there at any one time. You see, just one time you go find the tiny girl run for rapid. Keep it, man. You will find you speed.
Come on, Mr. Vickers. I thought I was in my own bathroom. What am I doing inside one of that?
Oh, yeah, you mash it up? All right, mash up your one. I think you're going to use my own. Yes, what? One bathroom?
Well, of course, Mr. Vickers.
$399.99. But you're not keen teeth. You know, come to think of it, you know. You get in the bathroom, kitchen and all flat free. Hey, you get a big discount on the rent, eh? $399.99. You get your with murder. You know what people now know if you live? And I rent this place with $10.99.99.
Yes, Mr. Vickers.
Yes,
Come here, Papa. Papa, oh, every time a new tenant comes, you always raise the rent.
What kind of race rent you are talking about?
Papa, the reason why we say so is because every time a new tenant comes, you always raise the rent and we are eating less.
Mr. Vickers, don't hit him. He's your son.
Yes, Papa, don't hit me. Please, yes, son.
Hey boy, you saw your damn eye them feel when they cut and seed. You saw your damn ugly.
But remember, Satan is devil.
Rosemary, you see this? A brand new toilet paper and a soap. I'm going to see how quickly I'm going to done them.
Because the moment then Jackie and the King's food and them clashing open. I want the DJ on that part.
Oh, and one more thing, Rosemary. The toilet paper, it must only be used on Sundays.
What kind of a shot can I eat me?
What do you mean not easy? For the rest of the week, try use newspaper. Hey, Rosemary! How are you want to do?
And what you think happened? The dumpling they stick up together in the crock pot top. So you see forget the word lovey? Rosemary happy.
Hey, Rosie! I love the way you turn them around. So by the way, how much flour you have?
Just 1 pound, man.
What, 1 pound of flour? Hey, now, fix me over to Jamaica. Rosemary, you don't tell us anything to cook for a half pound of flour. Half pound of flour can make you a big dumpling and a small one. That's just if I little mean it, you can get 6.
But I don't wish us that. I was cooking so that the tenant could get soaked.
The tenant? You mean you go for the tenant? The blasted tenant? Let me see what y'all going with now.
Bitch.
Looking at the back, who like living out in your group?
Mama, wish that man, you don't have to quarrel, so.
But you leaving out the quarrel, so. At the rate where we must have a budget deficit at the end of the month. Hey, you know what? You say that from this minute, you're fired from the kitchen.
What?
Yes, I will start on the kitchen business myself.
I'm too happy to leave the kitchen.
Yeah, man, go along. Because me can't understand how you have to cook over 5 dumplings. And that's the most thing. Then at backside, that's all them want to do. When people please, and your mouth of them pot scratch. Well, if she thinks that she went your mouth of my factory, she make a sad mistake. Because me, I feel your mouth of fear own too.
I wish that man, you mother what? You want me to broke your ass to this phone?
No, man, what do you mean she have to pay a fee?
Sure, look how you make me up here drape you.
I try to be talking if you don't want me back, so no.
All right, who we go?
But then the mother cool down, man. Because you not run the place right.
Why you make me not run place right?
Alright, look on this. It's just 1 month and 2 weeks ago. I pull a brand new toilet paper and a soap and then done already. You know, say the things that I done too fast. If the blind can't see the things that I done like a runaway can't have very speeding.
Yes, Mr. Maama Man. You sit down up today. I went home to pass on the floor.
That is not the only problem.
What is the problem?
The tenant, man. The blasted tenant. She a use too much water, man. See? Every minute she gone and toilet came. Flush. Just don't flush her fast, eh?
How we should?
What?
Tell me something. Why the backside you want to stop watching on me?
You know what, sir?
I don't you dare talk when I talk. I tell you this, I'm sick and tired of your nasty, dirty, foul behavior. I can't forget that piece of clear out of this damn place and leave you on your handicap pick me alone.
Weird! Say that's not what I'm going to do all the time. You never know.
Yes!
About what you tell me? Hey, she can't tell me. I notice from the other day, every day she gets up a talk about get fees and going. Well, if she believes that I go spend my money and I'm going to foreign, she make a sad mistake. Because the only way I spend my money and I'm going to foreign, she must have got on a ship. Just like the Titanic, going down. She can't tell me, you know. I go and watch that new supply. And see if it's done within the next 2 months, I go and start with half a soap and piece of toilet paper on.
You could have come from Rima or you come from jungle. One blood. You could have lived uptown or you lived downtown. One blood. One blood. 2 blood up north.
Why? This what kind of blood bump pussy are we? I'm about to cause inside there. How are you doing?
Papa man, I want new song me they sing.
Song? This song can't go so. Well, don't make a hear sing. Don't make a hear you sing it again. Hear me? If you now walk on the road and you jukebox a plate, cock your ears them and run. Hear me? Because if you come back inside and come sing anything about you 1, 2, 3 or whichever how much blood. You see? I get you and lick out your blood. By the way, how you come from?
Me down the road and play football.
Football? Took it on the mud, play football, you mash up the brand new pair of crepes. Hey, you make too much trouble in the boy. Talking about trouble. You know, so from the other area, so you walk with knife.
Knife?
Yes.
Me?
Of course.
Sing Lord, the light of the telephone me.
I lie them a tell. All right. Rosemary,
Yes, Aloysius?
you know you said this boy I walk with knife now.
Chuck me at that long time.
Me now can't know knife football.
Give me a second. on them out. You see, you're lucky. You're very lucky. Here, because if I did find as simple as a razor blade for you, when I don't murder you, judgment day cancel. You disappoint me, man. I don't know why you can't go up good like them other boy in the district. Why?
But Papa, what if we go up good like them boy in that district when it has said me go no school?
School what? Where school have to do with it? Anybody with ambition could have walked to school? Look for me. Look for me, your father. No, look for me, man. Right. Me, I never dark the door for school. Took it up, look for me when I talk to you. Right. Me, I never dark the door. Took it up, now look for me, man. How are you come from ugly, sir? Right. I never dark the door for school in my life. And look what I turned out to be.
A Maama Man.
Look at, I turned out to be a big respectable landlord. And if I turn out to be a Maama Man as you call it, you is my son. That simply means he's a damn mama boy. You know you look damn suspicious in your eye then. What me eye, man? Come here. Give me another son. Done right. Done right. How are you? It's fight you are fighting, boy. I hope not enough. Because if I ever get a straight right with my left hand, why? You see when I gear that and gear that, I confuse your brain like the icon system.
Yeah. He's heavy.
Wait a minute! Took it down! There is a factory! Hey! I will ask you one question. I'm trying to tell me how you use it measure yourself. Where you do them whole heaps of French letter, yeah?
Papa, one friend give me the post there.
Hey! Rosemary!
Yes?
The damn boy you walk with French letter, you know?
Hey, you know, must see a change in Heil.
Hey, Rosemary! How can I argument that you people go to a little picture? Why? What you doing with this?
Me a change, Papa.
Hello, Michelle. Hello, Michelle.
Hey!
Answer me, no man. Turn off the stove.
Hey, Rosemary, the food cook long time and you waste the oil, man. Hey, look. How are you? Put back your backside here, son. What you say you do then, you what? Change your oil?
Yes, Papa. Me a change me oil because me want worthless like you.
Right. When you see them, then do a water fart. And then you are run down there one of them. Hello, Michelle.
Hey, Rosemary. Emergency, man, emergency. You look like Bella Zella come.
You're not serious?
You're not serious. See them, man, see them there? I look on the one Bella run out for the one foot. Hey, Rosemary, hide the pot. Get the pot out the side, man. You don't know the bitch and love time people, man. Hey, put your gun and use a box to come out. Hey, it's when they come in and get me on them party here. They're going to lie down and go and write me and sleep. You're hungry, man.
Well dog. Whole post stand.
That push that I listen me.
Open the door to Miss Rosemary. Is something very important to come to discussion with you now.
No, you can't tell me why they too old fat, they're not having it.
Then locks, man. When you go along and like saying they want to collect me. You think this come up here to hide me or come to beg you something?
But tell me now, nothing to go now.
Locks, man. If it wasn't something important, I wouldn't have to myself come up here. Family back foot.
in me Congal, and not to mention me tuxedo.
What is the important thing you want to talk about, sir?
Me smell food. You know smell it, Bella?
Well, me love on the food short. But not even the crumbs we have left, we just eat and wash out the pot.
What a frostati. Zella, are you calling this now? Cause look how hard me run come up here. On the 1 foot. And I ask you just to walk fast. And you make we miss the food.
I'm gonna ask you what you want to talk about.
Who me? Me can't chat pa hungry belly.
Well, I ask you to please to clear out of my place and man don't wake up my husband.
Laxma, you don't have to take me so serious. It's only Rampa was joking. Hey. Get to understand that you get new tenant, then not customer.
Yes, I get a new tenant. And so what?
Rosemary, how much is the rent now?
None of your business. I don't wish I set him rent it too damn fast.
Lux, you don't have a goddamn manners to all people.
And you too goddamn fast say how man.
Wait, it's Tracy welcome, Tracy. Well, me can't tell you something. Me lock me door, me can't me key, me married already, me down in the wall. So nobody come Tracy.
Boy! Hi! You know if you tell me say you're done with the world, you know, ma? Everybody can see back where you favor the retired racers.
Yeah, me can't tell you something. When I did young like a you, Jackie like a that, when you come to my stable.
You know say you're damn right. You're damn right, you know. Because 15 Jackie like a him would have last in that stable.
Yeah, me can't tell you something. If I wasn't a Christian, I would tell you about. If I fuck your fault. Bella, Punkus fast asleep.
So you not see? You not see asleep, you must sleep.
In God must have full.
Excuse me. I have more important thing inside to look about than Uno.
Cock fart. Your body never spoil jackfruit.
Hey, what a brute lazy. So him yam, so him sleep, so him fart. Zella, Mrs. Zella. That the one that sound like the automatic pump.
Bella, it smell like Dunderbuski spirality.
Well. Now left you till we get something to me now.
Quite so.
Find one seat and rest your foot.
Yeah, right.
You want this one? Yes, that's nice.
Bella, come to think of it, you know, if the bitch them not food, yeah, they would have never give me none. They need a taco fire.
Miss Rosemary, I can't tell you to go away.
All right,
not here with them two yeah. Look at this, And Rosemary, this is one you can't miss is you. You see that boy Chucky Jam? It's not eviction son, you know. It's the half-brown coolie boy up the road. But the girl Chucky Jam, mama just base up on Chucky and fling it for the eviction. Keep your mouth doing chat. Rosemary! Some bad news going on about this house, you know. You're going to lose it, you're too damn sure.
Hey, what that damn ranking all man?
This is the damn outfit rank.
You said I was asleep in a box or she fall.
I know you would, you know.
Anyway, she ordered my food for me.
Alright.
Hey, I want them to talk about house, say what?
Some bad news are there that go on about us. But tell her we should see no more than 2 outfits share wicked and bad already. Why? Guess what happened, Mother Wisha?
What?
How do we hide the pattern and not get none of the food?
And that's the up to them.
Good for them. They must learn to cook at their yard and tap time people party.
Right.
Besides sweetness, nothing else. Aloysius.
When the food come now?
After the food gone.
Hey, Bella, the job of the food. Hey, you know, 5 of the food I leave here.
Aloysius, it's not me.
It's not 5 of the food I have any more your backside.
You can't divorce me 50.
Let me see what they're doing with you. Look at the pot. 5 of the biggest dumpling gone.
Yes, sorry.
Sorry, I think just take the pot and look at you. Pass the red money now. I say, give me red money now. What you say, what? You know, what you don't get. But you don't get enough paper. Listen, me now, young. I do all when I go to my bed, this rent up on my mind, you know. The rent due. Give me my money, man. My rent money.
I'm quite sure you want you tonight. Aloysius.
You got the red money.
Y'all get what kind of blasted red money?
It's what happened then.
No happen yet, darling. Now wake you up to make something happen.
All right. Wake me up back when the cock start crow.
Look, Aloysius. You see, anytime me set up my fire, me want you draw the matchstick same time.
Oh. Says fire you want?
Right.
All right. I'm going to give you fire and your wire till you beg me to retire. Push me off. You never even have the common courtesy. Me say, please, Ivy, come on. You push me off.
I want mama push you off, Papa.
Hey, Rosemary, me not gonna kill them backside everything, you know, right? Because it's me run things, not things run me.
That's why you do, you must do it properly.
Hey, look at Rosemary. Me is the man inside here, so help me wear the brief.
Hey, me know say you wear the brief. That's why you're so damn brief in bed.
Hey, Rosemary, one thing, man. Give me some time, man. Give me some time to build up my stamina, man. You know, see how hard me have to work on the house at the time.
Time.
Yes.
All right. One more try. The final chance. So, Mr. Vickers, me I beg you just prove yourself, or else you lose the work.
All right. It will be dead before the sun. Oh.
Come here. You a try, but you not reach me.
Wait. Is that what you mean me a try? I just see me a blow like Gilbert. Hey, it's sweet, it's nice, I love it. Collect the red rose, collect the red, the red.
Jokey, why the hell you mean this, man?
If you're inside here,
Who you mean if it's me inside here? Look, just behave yourself, okay?
he takes a big right, left, right, and go. And that's the way she have. She must have fun.
What you do? I slam door on my face. All right, watch me now.
Who is it?
Come out here with the rent in the yard. Damn right. When you come slam door in a big landlord face.
Well, you're going to stay outside here and wait till I'm because I'm inside the bathroom and I'm not coming out here naked to please you.
Hey, look at her, man. By rights, I should have collected the rent from midnight because it's that time it's due. Right? But I couldn't come out here because I was hard at work. Come on, come.
So what that has to do with me? You must wait. President Bowser.
Oh, we are talking about that. You're going like your Mandela. Hey, look at her, man. This one you live in this house. The rent liable for you at any time. Right? So whether you have a clothes or not, walk with the rent money by you.
Yes? Well, you're going to wait, you know, because you're going to wait to them.
Walk this come, you want me come in the field.
You just try.
That's what you look now. Come with the money, man. Give me, man, give me. The rent. Dollar. Damn face you ever eat my party mouse. We don't love too much damn freeness, man. Eh? See me there that day 2 dozen mango drop off of my tree. Quick time she pick up one yam it. Should I run your belly and give your mouth gripe and flux to complain? Hey, see after that boy I joke it down. If you ever put back your foot inside after the rest of the day, a ringing neck. Oh. Wait, is all that Rosemary?
Hey.
Oh. So tell me something, Rosie. You know how to work. You know I could swear I was in the bathroom. Them people and I get by my nerves, man. Hey, you know so from you come here I notice your behavior. And I have a strong feelings related to have. Wait, the US dollars this. Aye. I'm rich.
Kiss me. I'm gone.
All right. Hey, what I want to commit put this. Is it the night? Yes. I got it tonight. I got it. special to carry you go.
Hello, we shot. You really are gonna carry me out?
Yes.
That's my husband. Me love you. Kiss me again. Where we are go?
One funeral. Hey, it's your me and my wife live love it though.
Look, just give me receipt and don't argue with me.
Right. I jealous over me. Hey, if you want your share, though, all you have to do is just say, Halloween just there, give it to me. What do they give you? No, sir, because you can't compare to my wife. You know, see my wife just up good and look nice. It's just like they're floating thing. Oh, boy. So tell me something. How much US dollars worth on the market?
12 for one.
So much right. Then I go on and judge Jamaican dollars.
So 25 US, Mr. Edick, and 25 cents, 12 is 200, plus 100 Jamaican dollars, that make it $400. So next month, you will only be getting $399.90 because the woman wants to give me receipt.
Woman, you exactly mean. You couldn't give me the 1 cent. Why? You're bringing a fire like a calculator, though. Hey, I'm not going to spend it, you see, because I used to some farm work out to get visa. Who in a me toilet? Who locked me toilet door?
Me, Papa.
Took your job. Where you did a me toilet?
Papa, you must be deaf. You know, see me a doodoo.
Took your job. Me not tell you so to use me toilet.
So, Papa, what you want me to do? If me not do that toilet, I must let you blasted mouth.
It's alright. Here, wait till you come out here. I'm going to beat it till you soft like porridge.
Well, me now come out then, you know.
You not come out?
No.
Alright, watch me and you. Oi, look at us up. This is the final chance we come out. I'm going to spray you like a bloody pesticide. So you're brave. Alright. Wait, how many years you put boy? I'm trying to get on the island, see? Wait till I hold it. Who don't see that boy? Who don't see that boy when he juke it down? Wait till I hold him. Here, I'm going to juke him on them ribs and jam him in the eye. Hey, who don't think I little run me run after that boy? Hey, you think I little inconvenience and deliberation I go through for him? Well, as of today, whatever date of whichever month of whenever, I want him clocked dead or alive. And no reward. No reward. So that bad make up on the face like Chinese Christmas. I see after that young miss, if she feels that she can hold up my rent money when it's due, she make a start mistake. Cause me, if I dead, more than I collect my rent. But you take them easy, you just watch me again inside of man. You know what? I better get some work done. Lord G, you have so much things to do. Eh? Clothes to clean, plate to wash up, food to cook, rotted. But me not wash the clothes them yet. You know what? I better start with that. Why? A woman's work is never done. Lord G, good dirty clothes. And most of them have rosemary, you know. You know what? I better go for my washing machine. Hey, me now wash all the rosemary clothes today, no. I mean, I know somebody can work 7 days a week. He look at dirty clothes. Weird. Now just get your pants. Me now wash it up backside. Lordy! How it is? Just 1 year ago, me buy this rosemary, you know. Hey, and look how she stretched you out already. I'm here telling you now, the blasted sentiments are there. Guess how much we pay for? All at 99 cents. Hey, we noticed from the other day, them a raise everything, you know. We see any day they start selling up $1, we top buy it. We don't know why somebody have to spend so much money for something that's necessary. Hey, you know, sometimes you have to take bad things like joke, you know. You see, when I didn't buy that panty, the blue man, and nice little bird in the panty front time. And I say, from the woman, put it on, the bird fly gone. You know, I wash some more clothes, yeah, man. That's all me I wash. Me not wash no more. Right, that's what me I talk. Can't manage that.
It's me, man.
It's me, man. Hey, he's so decent.
Hi, good day. Is Verona here?
Is Verona you come to?
Well, you see, I just came in from Miami, so I stopped by. Hey, hold on a minute, man. Hey, take it easy, man. It means I can't see her, man.
Look, man.
Hey, hold on, man.
Me telling me ain't gonna tolerate no man in my house.
Hey, hold on, man. You get it all wrong. She happens to be my sister, man.
Your sister?
Yeah, man. That's what I've been trying to tell her since I got here.
Hey, come here, man. Come here.
Oh, thank you.
What have you understand me? Hey, shut the door now.
It's a lovely place you got here.
Lovely, nice place, man.
You know, somehow I think I'm gonna love it here, you know?
You think you would do what?
I mean, Verona's supposed to love it here.
Oh, she love it here, man.
It's nice. I like it. It's beautiful.
Oh,
You mean?
you can't sit down in me now, charge you.
Oh, thank you.
I take time sit down in my chair, it's brand new. Right, so you say,
You mean?
look at us, sir.
You mean?
You see in this place, yeah?
You mean?
Me is the only man who got 10.
You mean?
You can't take 5. Right. So you say your sister.
Yeah, man. You see, I knows her from she was small, man.
Then I must do it for the smaller for your sister, you idiot.
But you see, Shanna happens to be different parents. You know?
Different parents?
I mean, different mother, different mother.
Oh, different mother. Why you almost fool me?
You mean?
5. So tell me something. What you in here?
Oh, my name? Well, my name is Atwater Grindstone, man.
You mean hot water grindstone?
No, brother. It's not hot water, it's Atwater, AT water, man.
Oh, you mean AT water grindstone? Where's that bitch name you get though?
Well, you see, all my friends call me Stone for short, you know.
Oh, they call you Tony Short. Look like you're good out.
And about what time Verona got in here today?
5! Where's the one now?
About what time Verona got in here today?
Oh, she's supposed to come home in the evening. That is after the noon and before the night.
Well, I think I better wait on her, you know.
I look, you know, while there and I ask me no more questions. How we answer all of the questions then, right? Tell me something. You walk?
Well, you see, I used to work back in Norfolk. Hey, anyway, you see, I quit my job. I now work in Miami, Florida.
Florida?
You mean that's where I'm from, Miami, Florida?
You mean Florida? We take plane go Florida?
That's where I'm from.
Right, hey, you can't put up back your foot now, man. Yeah, man. Hey, we used to work in Florida, you know?
Hey, that's beautiful, man. It's
Yeah.
nice. I like it there. The climate, the people, everything's nice.
Lovely, man.
I like
We used to work in Florida as a farm worker.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Yeah, hey, I will tell you a little story about me in Florida, man.
You mean?
You see when me there, Florida,
You mean?
and me go to one of them cane fields, eh?
You mean?
Man, and when me go there, and climb up in the top of one of them big cane tree there. Hey, man, you see when me go up in the top of that, and start big cane. Hey, man, the pick up, so that you see all 5 dozen cane and drop a ground, man.
Hey, you're a genius,
Yeah, man, boss,
Hey,
man,
you're
that man.
great. You're an expert.
Yeah, hey, but you don't know why me talk up on the farmer business.
No, sir.
And they look like a decent fella, so I go and tell you.
Well, you see, I'm a pretty decent young chap, you know.
No, you might be decent, but not pretty. Anyway, you see, anytime I go and come back,
You mean?
I hear all kind of news about my wife.
You
You see,
mean?
about how she a keep man a keep her around. So you hear me now, man?
You mean?
You see my wife now?
You mean?
You see, it's because she kind of youngish and sexy and strapping. Hey, man! You see me, man? Me have to keep a close watch on her, man. So here we are, you know? I send her go to the street, go walk, and meet her in the yard. That way then a man can come and look for her, you see how me smart,
Hey,
though.
that's beautiful, man. Hey, you're great.
Yeah, man! Hey, man! You see woman, man?
You mean?
Woman don't know how to economize, man. They don't know. So you see because of that now. I do all the washing, the cooking, the ironing, the cleaning, the pressing, and all of that myself, man. Yeah, man. Hey, man, you have to know for control things like polish, soap, cooking, iron,
Hey,
rice.
hold on a minute, brother. You see, from the moment I walked inside of your apartment, man, I mean, the hospitality that you've shown.
Yeah, man.
I mean, the things you say to me and the way you say them. To me, you sound like a blasted Maama Man, man.
What?
I tell you what, it's very hot inside here. I think I better leave and I'll check for Verona later, okay?
Yes, I think I better left. You hear me?
Everything cool, man. It's hard stuff. That's easy, man. So what go on?
Stone.
Eh?
You say because some catch up with Nigeria charge him murder, you know?
So what? Because can't dead though. That's cool, man. Come in, I can never respect bad boy. So what go on?
Alright? Come, my lady is right over there. We have a lot to catch up on.
Sure, baby, now, right here. Hey, a long time no still in a yeah, my still in my roof walk up here today, you know.
Really? What happened up here today?
The boy come in like him never want time for come in and come and lock door in my face and things. I'm vexed, you know. Sure.
Come on, darling. Look, you can't really pay because any mind, you know.
I mean, you think you can stop him from come back and look for you. He make a sad mistake, man. Better him just hold him corners and cool out, man.
Alright, tell you what now. I have a little surprise for you.
You come back with a surprise them again. That's cool, man. I'm tired of hearing your surprise business. Them. All right, that's why.
I am going to buy a house.
House?
Yes.
You in a position to buy a house? Just cool, man. You can't afford no house business right now, man. Just easy, man. You can't buy a house.
Stone, darling, just listen to me now, man.
Hey.
I heard about this house from a friend, right?
Yeah, your friend them again. All right, go on.
And I am going to get some money.
Yeah.
And my father is going to send some for me. And as soon as he sends it, I am going to take it and pay it on the house.
You serious?
Yes.
So you still make links with the old man?
No time.
How we party father live again?
Miami.
But hey, Verona, you say any day, me raise a piece now in Miami. Are you a fan of me? Hey, I kind of know the Verona. Hey, who well want to go Miami, you know? Who want to go Miami, man? Because all of my friends them up there, me want out there suffer, you know. Who want to go up, man?
Right, honey. Don't worry. You'll soon get a visa.
go away, man. I want to make a move, man. I suffer bad out here, man.
Alright, now. Let's put all of this aside for a little while, right? Now, I want you to tell me something. What you pack because with today.
Oh.
I know that the man is saying, oh, you managed to come inside
Oh,
here.
because
Yes.
no, the clock say you never up here, because probably you'd have let me down. Hey, you want to come and do it? I wish you said the brother no want to let me in. Give me team now. Well, you see, I just came in from Miami. Me not stop trick them up here today, man.
You really treat them? Stone?
Boy.
Stone, what happened to you?
Boy,
Stone,
boy.
what is the matter?
Why, Baba, they bring some foreign chocolate named Blue Clocks for me.
Come to the party. Come to the party. Oh my God. Chucky, your father isn't here, you know.
So Papa not here. In cook.
I don't know, Chucky.
Make her take a look now. Jesus, big man. What about the cook season, right? Miss Bernard, you know the Papa wash the coat every grain of this pot here. Me a chew, Mama, me tell you something. Come here. Last week, Monday, I come here and I'm hungry, no. I'm come and take out, look at my food, you know. I'm just take out, look so. I said, the man come and the man look for me. The man said, took it down. You take out 12 grain of rice. Me said, what you can't see me now take out so.
Right, you leave it right, you answer him.
Right? I went to do one pot. I'm hungry, you know. You know, I'm forget food if you run out, you know, but it look like that man want me thief. That man want me thief, but me not thief. Me not take nothing from anybody's stuff, lock me out.
Alright, Chucky, you can't take all of the food. Leave some in your car.
Me want to put up with some for the rest of the week, so now, look there.
Where?
Stop there.
Where, Chucky? Chucky, where? Alright, Chucky, you can't tell the pot. Leave the pot because you know your father going into that pot.
Me want his mother to start life. Right, Papa's too mean, you know. He goes there because no school.
What? No school, Chucky? I mean, such a nice little boy like you, Chucky.
Mrs. Grown up, what was that? Me nice?
You are so nice, Chucky.
God. You know, say, that was the road a while ago, and I'm saying, it's you. No, Papa, Miss Grown up. Let me tell you something now. One morning, Papa said to me, Chucky Jam, is it I go to school, and I get nothing yam, or you get something, and I go to school.
Oh, never mind, Chucky. Chucky, don't you ever do that again, you hear me? Don't do it!
Yes, Mom.
Someone talk to your mother. You must have a mother.
Oh, my mother! Papa said to go to my day and to cross the portrays bridge and...
Hi, how you doing?
Hi, how you doing? Miss Corona, I wish mother would tell me, hi, how you doing?
Come on, Chucky, he's my brother.
Oh, are your brother down there? So you bring your brother and come join Papa there. I love you,
Chucky?
God.
I'm telling you.
Oh,
hustle like crazy, baby.
Woman, no ring. Is this I was looking at Rosemary used too much current to back you on the floor?
But Mr. Vickers, current! No, you hear me now, Mr. Vickers. You can't do it in the private inside here.
Rape?
You can't do it!
You accuse me of rape? You damn liar!
Do the other part, right?
The man who raped you in there, so.
But the friend come out about it, you know.
No, you listen to me.
No, don't listen to me.
No, you well
I said
listen.
don't listen to me.
You well
I said
listen.
listen to me.
You well
I said
listen.
listen to me. The man inside there absolutely my brother.
That's a damn blasted lie.
Come here.
Brother, what? No brother no in there. Allah, you tell for your brother. What kind of house, brother?
What do you mean?
Oh, that's it. So you're taking your brother out inside this neighborhood? You don't think you was funny?
Don't about it now.
Come on, I don't want you to cut down the expensive man.
Go to hell, Vickers.
All right, all right. Now you Mr. Man, make I deal with you now. Hot water grindstone are you?
Oh, you mean?
Hey, I thought it was our boyfriend.
Hey, boyfriend, I'm sick and tired of saying about that boyfriend business. You know? I mean, she's my smaller sister, and to tell her the truth, I don't really want a man to come here and fool her, man.
Right.
You mean?
Hey, hot water.
You mean?
It's when you're a big brother.
You mean?
You must always take care of your little sister, man.
Well, I was taking care until you disturbed me, man. Hey, man, this is Jamaica, man. No problem in Jamaica, man. No problem.
All right.
You
Sorry
mean?
for the disturbance.
It's okay, it's okay.
You're going to eat some food now.
You mean?
Tell me something.
You mean?
When you go back to Florida?
Keep Florida. To tell her the truth, I'm leaving the island sometime next week. I'll be going to London, then I'll go England, I'll go Germany. I'll be all over the place.
Hey, hot water.
You mean?
You look like you travel so much to know say London, there, England.
Well, see, I've been traveling even before I was born, you know.
Oh, anyway, when you are going, you can't left one of them here with me, man.
Oh my God, I'd love to leave one of these chains with you. But I mean, they all got sentimental attachments to them. I mean, I got this one in Italy, Rome, Egypt, France, Germany, and the little one in Pluto. I mean, I've been traveling all over.
So I am not there so you can't give me, man.
I tell you what, I have some lovely shirts in my rental. I could go and get you one.
Yeah, man, that's a nice
Yeah,
one.
but what size shirt you wear?
Size?
You mean?
35.
No problem, I'll get you one.
All right. Hey, hot water.
You mean?
You say when you go there,
You mean?
you find a pants, bring it come to
Would you like a bugle boy?
Bugle, what kind of wish boy? Look here, man. Bring me a bugle girl, woman or lady.
Hey, no problem. What size pants you wear?
35.
No problem, no problem. Go get him.
Hey, hot water.
Oh, you mean?
You say when you go there, you find a shoes, bring it come to man.
You mean something like this, man?
No, so that's too cheap. Bring me a clocks.
Okay, what size? Hey, no problem. What size shoes you wear?
Say, strictly 35, man.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Hey, Bruno, I'll be back shortly, okay?
What a nice fella, eh? What a misunderstanding. I'm going to go feed my face now, yeah? Wait, this kiss you want to kiss me? Look here, Mr. Rona. I wonder if it's the same thing where I look for you, I look for.
Mr. Vickers, may I look to my rice?
Then on my rice, me I look for too. Look at the way you do the pot of food.
Mr. Vickers, where you know anything?
Mr. What pot
Yes,
of
I'm gone with it.
You? When?
He came by a short while ago and he took away the pot with the food.
Just so? You mean just so? Tell me if you tell me so you cannot be so. Come in the boy take a pot of food and go with it. Just so? No man, the teacher get me mad man. The teacher get me bad. Hey, how you gonna
Who?
You know what? I'll give you the notice. What? Let me out in 30 days.
You man, just try keep mad me and if you come on, that's what I got about left here. Wait to me, come on, there's 30 days. Come on, come on, Mr. Vickers! You can't want responsible for nothing, it's something you do, sir.
You know, it's the first time I ever take a good look at you. Until you feel like them blasting hookworm. Come like you not take me serious inside yourself. Well, alright, watch me. In the name of my father, who dead 10 years ago. My mother, who dead 5 years after. And them dopey. I swear, I must get that boy and chop him up. Oh, we're going to take my food. My friend,
What happened to you?
Rose. You know what the tenants are for? They have no respect for landlord property. She there, how many boys to go for the food and the liquor and that's the one?
Come on, Mr. Because I'm sorry, right? I'm very sorry.
Sorry? Sorry? That's all that you can say. What?
Explain to me what happened here today.
Who's your head up, tough man?
I'm not really tough.
You said the tenant. The arms house tenant. She there, how many boys took it and take me home for the food and God?
My trouble. You can't do that, man.
You're not going to because of your fault.
My fault.
Yes!
What everything have you choose to blame me?
If you never tap me on the woman, the boy. The business with that. How you feel that? I say for you. You! Come. Anywhere you take it, you're a class mark now. And the only way I go ease you is if you find out if it's a fool. Otherwise,
Why can't you just step up the line and let go? This is right. And then, right. Yo, miss! Can you tell me how the water reach inside my chair? Not your housewife about it. Who dare you style my husband as housewife? Could you wipe it up? Aren't you living here? You're not in the backside and inside. Not in my house like that. Don't speak to me. We are imagine, Aloysius, shut up! You know that Aloysius never put his hands on me, and you come in here, give me my plate cloth. Go and get your own cloth. You just wait until Aloysius gets here. I'm going to see to him. Shut up! You want work? One more out of you today, and you get it for the day you're born and so till today. You just waiting until Aloysius gets here. Aloysius never put his Hello. Hi. He's my brother, Miss Rosemary. Your brother? You look much older than your brother. I talked to Aloysius about the notice. That's the way he behaves when he's mad. Excuse me, Miss Rosemary. Okay, love, go on. Man, she really is a sister? Yes, ma'am. She's a terrorist, afraid of her like a post. So you're visiting her?
Well, you see, I came in from Miami last night. So
Hold on, dear. Did you say Miami?
oh, that's where I'm from, Miami.
Have a seat, love.
Oh, thank you.
Been so long
What?
since I had
What's your name?
Oh, my name is Atwater, ma'am. A.T. Water, ma'am.
And surname?
Oh, Grindstone.
Wow! What a name! I wish my husband had a name like that. It would probably help my situation. All this jewelry?
Yes, ma'am.
You look so cute.
Thank you.
And Mose, come here a minute.
be so cruel after
And water!
Oh, excuse me, ma'am. My sister's phone.
you
Okay, love. I see more of you.
been so long.
Thank you.
Since I held you tight.
when I catch him in the Aloysius bed, we're going to tear it down. You couldn't listen for me?
Listen! Yes! I'm coming!
Where's it, ma'am?
Lizard,
Oh, yes, ma'am.
it gone. Tell me something you're afraid of me.
No, ma'am, but Mr. Vickers, ma'am.
Don't worry about him, man. I take care of him. Relax yourself. Darling, put your hands around me and feel what you'll be getting in Aloysius' bed. Do you like it?
I love it, ma'am.
What a lovely body you have.
You mean body, ma'am?
Your dad. Body. So strong.
Oh, thank you.
Tell you what, because you're so nervous.
And unconscious.
Oh yeah, and unconscious. I'm not going to work tomorrow, right?
Choo.
Yes. I take it down. So you can't go look for me after the sister gone away. Hello, Bishop, that bitch I go and marry. He leaving at 9, so you can't come 10. We are going to pack one in bed.
Okay, then I'll try and make it here.
Please, sweetheart.
You see when I lay me hands on that boy? You see when I catch him? Yeah, idiot! When I run up and down that place, I think a restaurant. You sure you rent a room at the right place? Somebody like you should have live at Bellevue. Them say them see the boy, but they don't know what he's done. If I catch him Monday, I'm going to chop him. Tuesday, I'm going to chop him. Wednesday, I'm going to chop him. Any day I catch him, I'm going to chop him till I can't find him. Rosemary.
Yes, you find the pot, you find the pot.
Hold on, let me find the pot when I make a boy TV. Don't tell me fast. You come like when I take me serious inside or something. When I kiss the floor. I swear, I must get that boy and chop him up. Are you? We must run out. Yo, I must run out. Are you? Tell your brother to come back up here. Right? You don't want him back up here. Every time he come up here with him, me. Tell me something. Him is a blasted goat. You don't want him back up here. Come now, I come down here and my wife. No.
Mr. Vickers. I know you're upset. Well, let's see how can I do this. Because I know we can send it to that away. Ain't Vicky?
How we are called Vicky? That's what they are. Look where you touch me up for. Don't try to sit down and share the chicken things and discuss what? Eh? And the two back here room, me put my left in the way they walk out drink that. Well, look here, I have not to say to you, right? Everything done set already. I'm in a wrong. It was a bad with people like who always make a warm peace.
I know it's not weird. Now, where are you the bathroom?
No, Rosie, man. Rosie.
No, I know it's not
No, baby.
Wait, how we about that? The man will live here, when?
He's not here.
He's not here. You sound like gardening with Amy. You know if you not come back early?
I don't know. Who are you?
Who are me, you know? Who are me? Look here. I am a sport with security, you see? Here's what thing, he's his father. I mean, he's his father.
No, he's the landlord.
Landlord?
Landlord.
So he's up at the house.
So he's not his house?
See him what? He's renting when the first money.
You lie.
And we are landlord. Alright, tell me something. How much you pay for that?
Look, I can't tell you that. Who are you? I don't know who you are.
Alright. Me is a policeman, you see?
Police?
That's right.
Yeah. So look, me, want to come down my station and come check me?
No, I don't want to come.
All right, no problem. I'm going to come check you up then, man. Patrol the area and the friends.
Look, I have a boyfriend already.
You don't want no boyfriend, love. You want a man who can protect you, man, with all them things, yeah?
Don't shoot me.
You can better only clean that man, David. Me can treat you better, you know. What you
Look,
say?
I don't want any man with any gun.
No worry yourself about gun, darling. Look, me is a legal gunman. And me so be a bad boy, I don't want it. I want you. Come here, you know, say me I get filled up your bad.
The gun.
All right, Eddie Fitzroy. Bad side. All right, look, you look to be a nice little girl. So you see like how you're afraid of the gun? Before we start do anything, get it out of the way, right? Not go put it down, man, and put it down and come back home. You know it, right? Right, that's a girl look strong. So you know, but I want an apple. Come on, out of the bed, man.
Not coming out of my trouble, me.
I want to piss back there, but Mr. Come on, and play fine.
Not coming out.
All right, stand there. You want me to go back for the gun? I come to think of it, I should make you stay under there. You know, say you look much better under there. All right, figure out that. So you have a boyfriend for two?
Yes.
What's his name?
At Water Grindstone.
At where a grind was it not? Same damn thing, Mr. Say some plastic clown you there with. Tell you what, figure out the idiot name, then we have to come up here tonight.
You man, you can't do that. My boyfriend is coming to see me now. Can you do that?
Where's our boyfriend?
Yes.
Where you could have damn bright and face? Me and you there. You feel it to your heart? Yeah, give me bun. Look here, no? Look here. From the moment I left the meditation and come up here, I said the first word to you. Me and you there. No tell me bad. Oh.
No, look here, man. I don't understand you. You can't just walk coming here and tell me they've never seen you from the day.
You don't understand me. I don't make you bad. All right, well, let me tell you in a proper English then. From the moment that I came up here, right, and said the first word to you, me and you are there. Yeah. Nothing on. Shut up!
Border clash.
Stop, stop, stop,
Border
stop,
clash. We
stop.
said, one border clash.
Lock him up!
Hey, Zeno! Hi! It looks like them gonna let the house give it.
How many fortunes, man?
If I didn't know that the bitch them not there, how the I am master car. I am master car, go on. The man music fella. Alright, Zeno, mind the thief you talk about, you know. Come in, want to come catch me and lock me up in the body car rape me. But Bella, you damn stupid. Come and go along in the bedroom because if we can't get sissy. Hey, and that's what we want for a long time. We go kick up from us. So Zella, you ready? Chop. We think you do a quickie.
Papa Zella, you see that no have no crutches.
Bello, keep on your blasted mouth. After the one where you got on the better.
Hey, when they teeth me want something good for teeth.
Bello, look at this lovely just Rosemary got your mind, mouth.
Papa Zella, you see that can't fit you.
Bello, I said keep on your blasted mouth. If it can't fit me, it can fit you.
Come now, Zella, come, you get enough, come.
Hold on, man, hold on. Hold on, dear man, hold on. Bella, hold on. Bella, look at this shine lovely pattern got you. You still account for your man out me back but a long time? Might as well you pure this.
Take this two.
No, can't hold on the back. Come on, carry this man.
Which part?
Give me your jacket.
You mean in a tuxedo? But Zella, it looks like you mud the cloth.
Come on and carry on. You still account the house to sell? Might as well we take every try kill him.
Hey, talking this and talking that. One day you know why the house is sell.
No, I don't know. Tell me now.
You have to understand that eviction is not paying the rent, you know. And I'll do him sublet the house. And since March, Jacob him go to the United States of England. Inside I sell it.
But what the cross is doing? It look like a big shop don't know think about it, you know, man.
Solve the bitch right. Love go on like you own her. But what the fuck? When the day come, we see eviction him, I get eviction. Anyway, Zella, come.
No. Rosemary, get some lovely perfume around here. Like how you saw put this pollute in the ear. Let us get some.
But Zella, you don't smell much better. Anyway, see the find a nice one and spray for me.
Watch the rider as the owner.
Yes, Hey, it's sweet, sir. Eviction was somebody in my mouth. Come no, Zella, come.
You see any day I hang on for that boy? You see any day I catch him? It's under the blasted gun. Must not carry gun selling there now. Must carry. Why, you mean to say I have to go back down at station and left the gun? And where me I go tell the sergeant, say no? No, boy.
Come, Zella, come. Let's go. Come, Zella, come. Zella, you alright?
You smell a man. You saw put in the cloth.
Hey, Zella, the vice sound a while ago, it sound like the licky easy. Wait. When your man know it, you can't make say something ma come fit him. Come no, Zella, come. Not there.
Why not do that?
It's a day's work me come fit with the young lady.
I see, and that's so.
It's bed bring us fixing.
Like how you know where we are doing, where you are doing.
Wait a little bit. Before me back sit down, tell me something. Why? At the day's work you come up to help and do?
What's going on to the doctor?
Hold on. I already said big up on the face and jacket.
It's an abscess.
Oh, boy.
Abscess.
So tell me something, abscess so shine? Abscess this? Cold teeth or what you have in your back?
Never put it back, Mr. Policeman.
Officer,
What?
make us work out a little thing. And we give money, just let me go.
Wait, you believe you can bribe this? You realize that is another charge? How much you have?
Well, we not know, we
You
can't.
don't have nothing to get it. You get
No.
what?
Stop assault me, Osman. You used to name me yard, you know. I used to get turn meal and touch boat.
Hey, look at her. You don't tell your man say you used to give me touch something else too. You don't tell him that. You come with me. Where you wait for the boy?
Up there, sir. Up there, sir.
You think I never have me gun here today?
Stop saying I got no gun.
Set up if I have been told me dead in a long time.
Then you really got no gun.
Lord G, all this again. Eh? Every time I saw this trousers, but I tear out back. I'm here telling you, it's when Rosemary used to sew it, it used to stay. But she used to much tread, man. Hey, me I tell you still, you know. You see when you have a woman, you just can't give her too much liberty, you know. You should run your whole life in a mystery, man. Me say from in the beginning, when Eve started for Adam, them no look back, but Delilah make Sam so far. Just because of that, I go and dedicate a song to all our man who make no man run things. You must be mad, man. Let off. Woman is a thing you're not faking no liberty. Then we hit her for your cat and spend all your money. Then use your tiny paper, then use half your spoon. And when your money done, them have to cut off your throat. You see, baby woman, when you Rosemary, she knows that she cannot ramp with me. She walk the dollars and a me spend. Woman is a thing you're not faking no liberty. You run out the boy and cut the budget. If you dead out the street, me have nothing to regret. Come now, woman is a thing you're not faking no liberty. Wheel out! Yeah, man! Hey, that was just a fraction of the action for your musical satisfaction. Everyone's very well. You want a wire brush? Stop it, matching, man.
Why, Aloysius? One of the worst things happened to me today.
What?
Lord, it happened, man. It really happened.
Because they talk about who do it.
Aloysius, me lose the work.
Why you lose the work?
Yes.
Women.
My boss said me absent from work too often.
Lord have mercy upon me now.
Aloysius, me don't know how me go manage, you know. But this week me in the plan to buy some cosmetics. And Cleveland Soul have seen me one buy 2 pair of shoes. Me can't buy them again.
But Rosemary, you're not easy. You mean you lose the work and you talk about cosmetics and shoes? What about something for it? Warm to soap and toilet paper. Remember say you can't do without toilet paper, you know? Alright, warm to light bill and water it. You want to lock off the water me pissing at the pipe?
He should never fire me.
He shouldn't fire, but he don't fire you. Hey, we know this was where I just know this was where because I used from the other day, anytime I know there, you talk from work. You talk from work to half a man. You talk! How will I going to know? When me I going to know? Oh, you hear? They say you figure look work. Oh, I know where you're going. I'm going to check the MP, Mr. Quincy, for the night watchman work for you.
Watchman work for you?
It was your easy work that, you know. All you have to do is just sit down and keep your eye open. All right, man, me do it.
Say we give you?
How you mean if you give me? Me vote for the party, you know.
But no master, I'm the watchman now.
Yes, when vote for the other party, I feel party get knocked.
But he not going to want to leave.
How you mean him not go and leave? You mean I vote for the party help me? I ain't no business with nobody else, that's how things go now.
That mean then you then do the night shift?
Well, then how you look, sir, please? Well, them have different shifts, you know, like 2 to 10 and 10 to sleep.
You cannot come back yet.
Hey, don't call a boy the name in ya. Don't call a boy the name in ya. Just the sound of that boy name spell disaster. Make him turn out there. Make him turn out there in the wilderness for 40 days and 40 nights.
Aloysius, you can't live up the boy, so you know. Are your son, and you have to take care of him.
Look at Rosemary trying to draw me tongue in here today.
Alright, fine.
Take care of his boy. You see me, I work to take care of boy. It takes cash to carry me now, on.
Open this backside door.
How would that knock down the door that door them something? I was thinking that is my backside that I knock down the door. How would that?
Police that if you open the door for shut off the lock and then your head.
Hey, Rosemary, how are you doing?
Me not do that, man.
You know what they said police are for you for?
Me not know.
How out there?
Me out here, Papa.
Keep your backside quiet. Keep damn quiet. Is him not?
Yes, officer.
Are you a boy this?
So them say.
Catch him at TV, I'm out of car, put him some ground.
What? You know, Lana, what?
You watch yourself, you hear me? Because you're under arrest for stealing.
Who, me?
No, me. Look at the boy says you send him. I see your name on the back there. You can't deny that.
By the way, tell me something. How I know? Back off the road, so give me some space. Hear me, man. How I know he's a police and not a big good criminal that looks same thing for thief.
Yes.
Hear me, man. Every police I know carry a stripe on their shoulder. How you feel up on your socks?
Yeah, damn.
Hear me, man.
Yeah, damn. Police, it's not you to try for me, sir.
In a business receipt. Zero roll it down there. Hear me, man. Show me your ID.
Put the car over the front door.
Hey, boy. You think I wash your clothes and get up?
Sit down.
Mr. Me get up, man.
Mr. Sit down.
Mr. Me get up. Get up, man. Get up. All right.
You turn up there. Boy, where your name?
Tell me where your name is.
I'm Dookie Town.
Shut up.
Tell me where your name is.
I give my talk, how we should tell me.
Oh, my name is Mr. Aloysius Vickers. Well, everybody about to call me.
Me know why you wouldn't call him. Where your name?
If it, don't you come in like that have confusion, you know. My name is Aloysius Vickers.
Yes.
How you spell that? A-L-L-O-E-S-V-I-K-A-S?
Yes.
No, me can't spell it.
You can't spell it?
Me can't spell it.
Go on.
L-O-K-I-M-U-B.
Lock him up. I said lock him up. Not yourself, man. Yeah, you did. What? Which part you walk?
Tell me where you walk, Rose.
I love Bishop man, I give him a talk.
Me, what? What?
I ready. This is where you walk.
Me work as a house husband. No, me no work.
You know what? I said, go girl, where you walk?
And we are called girl.
Not you mixing. I see. Can't break this away you walk.
Oh, Wilson! He calls me a cop of his
There was a yawa. I can call her, so you know.
All right, sorry for calling what you is. Where you
My
walk?
name is Rosemary, not Cobweb.
Me never asked you that. Whether you want to be Roseberry, Neesberry, or Raspberry, this is where you walk. I ready to know where you come in. Because we're not blind to time. Come in. Leg off my man.
Why? All of these shots me on how me clothes I go wash. Come here, look. What am I
me thief, but me not thief. Me not take none of the police to lock me up.
I soon come back. I got up for the MP go see if I can get him bail. Lord, how me I go manage without Aloysius, man? Alright, Aloysius.
Lord, I'm going to mind without Aloysius. Oh, them brighty, but them want me go to jail. On the ground. And I wish them keep in my jail, you see, for 40 days and 49. Hey, you know say Papa cheat me bad? Him cheat me bad, you know. Look here, the man not send me go to school, right? Him not give me the food. I know him want to come run me out. Papa mad, you know say Papa bad. Hey, I want to watch this one, you know. Go and dedicate it to be me Papa. Come on, science! Be me Papa, we can never send me go to school. Look, you know me get a plastic book. Me can't read, me can't write, me can't do a thing. Papa gonna deal, now come kick them on. Me run kick around me. Mama, Papa respect. I'm tired now, I'm hungry. I just where the man go. Locks, he's right. But hold on, the Papa Pances, you don't live here again. Papa Nagano! Something known as sneaky going on.
He's not here.
No, he's not here. If TPP and my police lock him up. Papa, Jonah, come on, man. It's like a Papa Nagano, and it's me control this place, me run things. You know what? I'm going to sell this house. No. How much Papa charge to the rent? How much?
$3.99.99.
$3.99.99. All right, like I'm not a friend though. Who wants to give me half of it? Give me $10.99.99.
But Chucky,
but nothing, man. It's either to take it or left it. Right? You know what? Hey, you know what my friend outside won't come look on this room here? Say come. Talk fast, man!
Alright. Hey, wait, Juki, how you mean you run things? So wait, one to Rosemary.
Oh, she? She said she gonna get bail for him, but I wish them like a backside to his head.
Why are you asking for Rosemary? Mister, why are you asking for Rosemary?
Rosemary.
Mister, why did you ask for Rosemary?
Oh, Rosemary, me did not speak now. Guess what? Don't want to make sure that she not up here to impede with. Because you know, say a long time man and make love between the sheets, baby. Hey, we don't have to worry about Juki. No, Juki cool. Him don't know runnings already. You know?
Yeah, man, Juki cool. Him don't know runs already, but give me my rent and me advance.
Juki the season, man. We dealing the one away, man. The stole, man.
I hope so, you know, Stone. I really hope so.
You don't have to worry, little heart here, baby. Hey, Juki, hold tight.
And you hold tight, though. No worry, look out, baby. Woo. Look! It's to me!
Blasted man, not the damn big old police wouldn't even bail him. Miss Sarfi, all I wish us, you know. Can you imagine how them are behind him down at station?
Come on!
Tell me something. Half for a ball, yeah, ball. You say you plastic thing and favor bun can.
Some more. So,
Come on for me bed, man.
what I want to know, Papa don't come back yet.
No! I can't get no damn thing. What about tell me, man? Sure, you give father too much damn trouble.
Get trouble? Eh? Get trouble? Make him turn down there. Oh, him is now a jail bud. Oh.
Chucky, are you a sister? If I feel Papa and you are said about him, what did I say about me as a stepmother?
I know them putting in front of the firing squad.
You don't have a man! You are moving! You are moving! You are respecting us! As long as you live in this place, you gotta have respect for me. You damn little jacket, you!
Me's not no West Coast.
Come on, man! And wake up early when we get a letter figure the MC.
Stop and go, darling. Well, stop and go, baby.
You just watch it. Boy, man, big respectable man like sleep a dirty jail. Wait till I wait. See the damn big hot police boy. Hey, when want me fi sleep a dirty jail. It's a good thing Mr. Quincy come down there. If I would have to sleep at jail tonight. Rosemary? Rosemary? Yes. Yes, sorry for wake you. Yes. Get down. Yes, I mean, come on, come. Hey, me too. Everything alright?
Yes.
Oh, Rosie, you know what's pretty? I was pretty that if I did have to sleep at jail tonight, I did lose you. But if you come back and say everything is alright, I feel good.
I don't wish us, darling. You don't have to worry your little heart. You know, Rosemary never keep another man with you.
Oh. Hey, Rosemary, you know how much woman would have glad for them man gone to jail so they could have find man yard to go? Eh? You know how much woman would have glad for them man gone to jail so they could have bring man come in, yeah? But Rosie, you know you wouldn't do that to me, man. You're so honest, so faithful and loving. Anyway, come and lie down. It's alright, man. You can just lie down and we talk. Oh, Rosie. Well, Rosie, you're glad to see me till you're nervous. Alright, everything is under control. Rosemary, after when you want sleeping at the bed, you root it up.
No, man, it is because I was tormented. I tossed all night.
It's alright, and you toss in your toss for the rest of the night, it will be with me. Hey, Rosemary, man, you want to stop all your mouth water, you know? Can you imagine? The big God police boy want to sleep at jail. Well, the good thing is I'm going to come down there though. He would have to sleep down there. Hey, tell me something. The boy Junkie Jam to come back from there.
No, me not see my tall for you go.
Hey, you know I hear from good source that boy has sleep down his matty bar. You never look for him.
Why I wish I could look for the rich?
You know you have push me out there place up. Me a change a shot there, man.
But it's not dirty.
No, man, I change me a cup right to the full of drink, man.
It's not dirty.
No, man, me can't wait back to scare road. And you have to know jump. That's the jar road. You have to know jump me back that jar road. Rosemary!
out of me last week here, and I buy it.
Hey, Rosie, you know he's a good wife. Why I'm not man out the most good for your wife like you? Hey, Rosie, you remember the week when the master of our country? When he come back, he find man in a pyjama. Hey, but the man the soft man kind of things that can't happen to me. Rosemary, you buy this for me stuff? No, something wrong inside her. Something wrong inside. How about move this? Move the move. The kid the one up with the move. How about?
We are joking one.
Joking? After joking for us, something.
Alois, stop!
How about one?
Joking with everything.
Joking for us, something. You have me say tell me how far. You have me say tell me how far. Are you?
Yes, Papa!
Are you joking, Jam?
Oh, yes, Papa!
Oh, yes, Papa! Where you at, Where you at? Papa! Me a dog! Papa! The boy for the boot! There!
Yes, Papa! Papa, and a film shot this thing, a film shot! Papa, I'm not gonna tell you everything, go. Papa, I'm your dog! Papa, you see, it's when they pull a door and me come right to some. Mrs. said, Aloysius never do this to me. And Papa, me and the man said, stop, baby. She said, no, go, darling. Stop, go! Stop, go! Me say, Papa! Me say, Papa! It was like festival on your bed. Stop, go! Stop, go!
Stop, man, stop! So here, and I tell you, you take my bedroom to National Arena.
Papa! Papa, the man into the closet.
Why not I tell me, you know? Alright, Juki, you say if I find a man in the closet, I start telling about school. Yeah?
School?
Yes. Right. You see Monday morning, bright and early, I'm going to get you in a holy child. Alright, Juki, you still have that knife?
The knife, Papa?
Yes.
Yes, mine.
So you say never have it. Alright, now I want that now. We's a team now, right? Juki Jam and Mama. No, Papa. Alright, follow me. Are you? You ever think about moving? Come to. Hey, come back here, sir. Come back. I'll do it fast. How are you joking? So here, I told the boy I tell. No! What manner of evil is this? This look like Night of the Living Dead. Backside! The man doesn't in my pyjama, I piss it up too. Wait, hot water grindstone are you?
Yeah, man.
Where are you in the closet?
You see, because they been going to jail, me been came up here to keep your wife company, man.
Check the clock!
But I told you.
So here, hot water grindstone.
Yeah, man.
There is an opposition.
No, sir.
It's called, you want to call election for me? Wait, you never hear about me. You never hear say any man who call election, ban eviction, don't forget crucifixion. Warm water grind wood, you don't grind stone.
Yes, sir. And people don't know about their grind so till you come.
Come on, Daddy. Hey, mind that the next backside notice.
You notice.
Hey, man, get up and fight. Get up and fight, man. Mr. Get up. Get up.
What is this?
How you notice that? So what take this? You buy the house?
Take your backside out time.
Yeah, yeah, Bridget.
Hey, you're not Bridget. You're the man thief. Why you want to come out there, sir?
Me not come out. Me not come out. Me not come out. Me not come out.
Let me argue that. You don't know why I have to be a man thief. No, I don't know. Because you blasted waistlines upon redundant. Well, no, that is not come out of your house. And you! You need to tell me something that all these years and watch class. I let the house put your hands just up. What do you think I'm doing with this fella?
Let me call you love me.
Love me? When you don't have a plastic use in there, and just because I'm thinking about the damn house in my name, that's why we stay.
Oh, wait. So house in one. So what are we for your time? But let me tell you something. I never want you neither. I know why I never want you. Because it's your body you have. Alright? I'll make I tell you something for you never do. This is the only woman in my life who I ever loved. See her there. Alright. Now that you don't come out that way out. Come out.
Hey, look, man. We ain't gonna tolerate no man in this house. Just get out!
Don't!
Yes, darling.
Don't argue with him. Soon.
Eh?
Take your class out of your house!
Come on!
Come out, man! Come out, man! Come out!
Come out! What boy?
Come here, come out of your house!
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 Touch me, man! Show them out!
Hey!
Show them out!
Mr. Road! How will you pay you? I will give you 6 months right to that bar. Not right to that door, no with the door car bar.
I said, come out of your house!
Alright, I can't see it in your eye. I know exactly what you want. It print all over your body.
It's come out!
Hey, make a million you have water crying stone in your life. Hey, Mr. Rona, you see with your brains and my beauty, I sure we can make some lovely people.
Delicious, darling. You have certainly captured my heart.
Then I was.
Aloysia, you are going to be my next burning sensation.
My God.
You just stay right here, don't move.
Me nah move. Hey, when I see how she da show up and I go on, a long time she a look me now.
It's time to settle down in the tribe. Harriet Chariot Video presents the best Jamaican comedies on video. Check out Over Wedding.
You saw you want me to make your girl kick me? So wait. It's killing the one for kill my baby mother.
That after the dumpy them.
Where the sergeant?
Me said that after the dumpy them, what do you?
Yeah, waste it, man.
This after the Sarge.
Yes, that after the sergeant.
Oh yes. Cheers.
Cheers and bench.
Hey, Wanga, it's wrong, man.
I start. It burn me throat, sir.
Oh yes, man.
Over Wedding, it's a knockout. Distributed by Harris Chariot Video and produced by Harris Chariot Video, Twin Gates Plaza. Boy, I can't get this one out of my system. Under my nose.
But Papa, his name is not Matras.
No, what I mean then?
His name is Matthew.
Well, same difference. I don't want no disciple come up. No. It could be Matthew, Mark, Luca. And the next time make a boy fella come up here, broke up here and him clown. Then.
Yes, Papa.
A man or a woman?
A woman, Papa.
Then young miss. Good teeth.
Under my nose, it's a killer. It's a first for children.